think I do kind of need to map out like what my exact plans are as far as how I'm gonna introduce these talks into the fishing. I went yesterday, and I might post this in that video, but I don't know if it's better for me to just kind of on my way to the fishing spots or the way back home or even there to talk about certain things that are on my mind. I think I might also consider keeping them completely separate, doing montages of the fishing days, kind of some cool shots with some music in the background. Definitely want to do some how-to videos, and then keeping these talks separate. Somebody actually posted my video on Reddit. I got really good reviews on that specific subreddit. So this weekend's gonna be a great weekend for reflection, kind of figure out exactly the route I want to take. I have these ideas, but you know, someone close to me has said recently that I don't usually plan it out. I have these great ideas, but I do not write them out as I should or have a structured layout of exactly the way I'm gonna get to those goals. So, you know, you are. I appreciate your honesty on that. That's what I'm gonna work on. I will find the best way to give the meaningful content. I'm not gonna post just to post so you guys can see me. I may fail, I may get a lot of dislikes on some videos, but regardless, I've said it before, I gotta start somewhere, so I don't know. I'm excited to see what happens. Thank you.
So you're YouTube famous and can't answer my calls now. Wow, fame changed you, man. Love you, brother.
Overcast in the summertime, depressed so I dumb it down. Watching Kelly do another line, I've been tempted to double down. We been here getting wasted, LA girls on that flake shit. We were both on a spaceship, but I keep my drugs basic. I've been here, right, got a bottle full of lightning. I'm deep in my thoughts, I'm sleeping it off, let's spark one till I fight it. A lot of kids suicidal, both hands on the Bible. Constantly dealing with bullshit, both hands for my rivals. Buck 'em down, lost but found.
See how this goes. So it's unorthodox, but if you can see my bobber out there, this is not what how you're supposed to do these rat tails. But I like to kind of give it a little life effect. I did this the other day. I've never fished in this spot. Oh, I got a little tug on it.
Oh, what's the use now?
I think I may have put it on there wrong. What a glorious little spot with these weeds everywhere. This is nar doo-doo.
Hey, overcast on a winter day, you can find me in a crew neck. Rain falling on my face, I was praying for a new check. Me and money, we acquainted, I'd rather be related. I was working on my cadence, now they're streaming what I painted. I've been here, typing, disappointments that I'm fighting. Late in the night, I'm doing alright, these big joints that I'm lighting. I need a moment of silence, making a moment timeless. Know that we cold, so we gotta blow, I'm betting that they'll wanna sign us. Ready to play with the majors.
Dude, I went from 6 to 30
shots on this. Like shots on this. Holy shit, dude.
I cannot chill in recliners. Don't wanna drip in designer. I'm about to flood on, they know that I'm coming, but I gotta leave a reminder. Otherwise they'll forget about what you've been doing like it was on nothing. I shovel my cars, I've been in the yards. I'm talking to God, no bluffing, hoping that I find my way. So the day's long a phase. If I keep on and I work hard, then I might catch my break, won't be late.
Sleepless nights, restless days, second guessing my own way.
I don't like this spot.
Pressurizing on my
walk of
face,
shame.
waiting for the seasons change. Sleepless nights, restless days, second guessing my own ways. Pressurizing on my face, waiting for the seasons change. Sleepless nights, restless days, second guessing my own ways. Pressurizing on my face, waiting for the seasons change.
Yeah, it's not meant to be.
We talked about catching fish, but we didn't catch them.
Yeah, the idea of catching them is a lot easier than actually catching them. Just not our day today. I'm gonna look up that lake by my house. I'm gonna stop there on my way home. I'm gonna drive around. I have that app, so.
Yeah. Bro. Love your dad.